One thing that Malang is well known for is its markets. And actually Jokowi came here in 2015 and did a bit of a renovation. And his mission was basically to turn the markets into a cleaner and more efficient place. And I think he's done that pretty well here. As we go in, basically people are walking around with shopping trolleys. You've still got the original vendors here. You've still got the original market stall people here, but it's just cleaned up. So it's, how will I say, it's probably a bit more like Singapore, but it's very, very interesting to see how they re-gentrified the whole market. So what's really interesting as well here is that Malang used to be a place where the Dutch used to come, and it's a country town. And it's got a very slow atmosphere and very chilled and relaxed atmosphere. And you can see in the markets here, it's not hectic, it's not kind of chaotic, it's very relaxed, very chilled. And also, you know, you can get pretty much everything that they want. But as you can see, it's much more cleaned up, it's much more gentrified, and it's just very interesting to see how this is meant to be the icon for Indonesia for future markets. When I'm in Malang, I always must come to my favorite warung, which is Waroeng Rampal. It's been around since 1957, it's about third generation, and it's very well known for its rawon, which is basically beef that's been boiled, and then they serve it with kulak paste, which is garlic, shallot, kencur, galangal, lemongrass, and they fry that out. And then they have a little bit of chili on there, a little bit of toge in there, and then also you have some kedle beans. Absolutely fantastic. The flavours them, the galangal in there, the lemongrass, the chili, it all comes together. Also, what they're known for is a bit of a soto. This is a simple beef soto, just with bean sprouts, cooked in the paste, turmeric paste. This one's very light, simple. It's just a simple, you know, a quarter kuning paste, it's clear stock. Asian celery, and very, very tasty. So, there are many different warungs here that sell rawon, and it is very much the signature dish. Anyone is just as good, they're all fantastic, so please do try some.